Hello. Great that you're into this mini course about how to shoot your video with ease without all the technical overwhelm. The idea is exactly what is the name. How to make a video course and in a way that's easy for you, it doesn't take a lot of time, and you're not overwhelmed with what you need to use as equipment, software, or whatever is there. My name is Yasar Marcos, and I've been into trainings and coaching in the last 14 years. But let's say the last two I had to use a lot of video content. In the last year, we all know that video was anyway becoming more and more important. But in the last year, we know that it was like skyrocketed how important it is to be able to communicate in video with video content, no matter if it's a webinar or a live video, or as in this course, how just to make a course that it's pre-recorded, then you can upload it somewhere and make it available for you. I use it all the time at this moment, and so I had to really learn how to make it with ease, not every time to be perfectionist. So these things I want to leave, that you leave out, and be okay to make mistakes, be okay to improve in time. What is going to be in this course, like we're going to have this video, it's an intro video that just to get to know a bit short, and then there's going to be one more video that we're going to talk about how to shoot your content, in a way how to shoot yourself or record the screen with the presentation, what kind of equipment you can use as lighting, microphones, software for recording, for editing. And there's going to be a separate video especially for editing. And also as a bonus, you get a checklist, a cheat sheet, where you have the main points, main things about what you need to use and what you need to think of when you're creating your own video course. Also there you'll have links to some equipment that I think can be useful to you, that is good quality and affordable price. So I hope you enjoy it, and most of all, I hope it's very useful to you, because that's the idea of this part.